Get paid $280 per image, 10 minutes, no camera. Make money online. For this image, you will need to pay $280. For this one, you'll need to pay $190. For this one, you will need to pay $300. You don't need a camera, so you can do this as often as you like. You won't need to shoot any photos yourself. All you need is new followers on social media, and we'll provide you a tool that you can use for free to do this in under 10 minutes. We've never used this website before, and virtually everything is done for you. With the help of this website, individuals from all over the world are able to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars, and some of them have even surpassed $500,000. Now, before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the new stuff. How to get paid. Okay, let's start off by saying that this is the website where you can complete the task in under 10 minutes. This isn't a website where you'll be earning money. Rather, it's a platform where you can get those photographs created in under 10 minutes, allowing you to earn hundreds of dollars with a second website, where people are reportedly earning hundreds of thousands of dollars each day. So before we visit that website, know that it does indeed pay its users. We'll demonstrate for you how to make those pictures. You should go to spark.adobe.com, a completely free online tool with millions of unique templates that will let you make designs with only a few clicks and the appearance of professionalism. What can, therefore, be produced using Adobe Spark? You may make social graphics by choosing a photo, adding text, and utilizing design effects or animations to stand out from the crowd and make high-quality designs. And that is exactly what we will be concentrating on. Therefore, all you have to do is search for Adobe Spark on the App Store or Google Play Store. You can still earn hundreds of dollars each image even with just your phone if you use this totally free app. Produce those photographs on your phone or laptop, and then submit them for payment. You can sign up for a free account on Adobe Spark using your email address, a Google, Facebook, or Apple account, or you can use your Adobe ID. Facebook sign-up is the quickest and simplest way to register. How to use. You will be able to view all of the different themes from this website once you register a fresh Adobe Spark account. You may make a variety of graphic designs, and nearly all of them are already created for you. To make it your own distinctive look and earn hundreds of dollars with a website that we will share with you, all you need to do is modify the text. Therefore, all of these distinct themes are available, and you can even build Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, branded photos, and even custom size. You may design flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and much more. Therefore, let's imagine that we wish to employ the flyer design template, for instance. All you have to do is double-click on the text and enter in whatever you want to completely customize it and modify practically everything. Almost everything may be customized, including the colors, typeface, size, and other elements. You may add different shapes, shadows, animations, and other things. The fact that it does 99% of the work for you means that using it is incredibly straightforward and easy. All you have to do is alter the facts and save it to your computer. You can make a ton of various designs from those templates, and it's extremely basic and quick to use. So, that's how easy and straightforward it is to create those designs with Spark. Let's now visit designcrowd.com, a website that will truly compensate you with hundreds of dollars for the designs you produce with Adobe Spark. This is over at designcrowd.com, where you can earn money for all the many designs you can all produce in less than 10 minutes, Spark or not. Let us demonstrate how much money users make using this website. You will be able to observe folks earning money from all over the world if we choose graphic designers. People from Serbia are earning $33,000 a year with this website. The UK is making $22,000, and so on. For instance, if we choose logo designers, you can see that people are earning even more money. With designcrowd.com, there is a lot of money to be made. It's a great website that offers a really nice amount of money for designs that can be completed in less than 10 minutes. So, if we go to the Jobs area, we can see that you can produce all of those designs and get paid for them. With Adobe Spark, you can create anything in less than 10 minutes, including business card designs, flyer designs, poster designs, postcard designs, site designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, and Twitter designs. Consequently, if, for instance, you want to concentrate on designing flyers, you may click on that and you will be able to discover several jobs that are now available. You can submit my designs and be paid because there are available food jobs. You won't run out of work to do in any of those sectors because fresh jobs will always be flowing in. Obviously, 2 jobs are not a lot, but that number just applies to the flyer design area. Various areas are available for you to choose from. Perhaps you should choose designs for banner ads, apps, icons, Facebook or YouTube. Use Facebook designs as an illustration. Let's check to see if any fresh positions are available right now. There are no open positions right now, but as you can see, there were over 300 Facebook design jobs available, and they were all paying hundreds of dollars for a single image. Submit just one image for a chance to win hundreds of dollars, and you can also offer other design services. You may use graphic designs as an example, and right now there are 14 graphic design jobs available in that department. By the time you finish watching this video, there may be more or less, but new positions will continue to become available. Since every job pays hundreds of dollars, there will never be a shortage of employment. All you have to do to begin using DesigningCrowd.com is to go to the website and click the Join for Free button. When you register and log on to your new account, you will be prompted to enter your email address, choose a password, and then click Let's Go. You may start looking through all the available tasks, and when you find one that suits you, simply click on it. Upload your design, and then wait to see if you've been paid. So, how can you actually cash out money from the website? How can you actually withdraw money from the website? Therefore, we want to detail how in this section. It's actually that easy. Really simple. In order to collect your profits after you begin earning money, simply go to your profile, click Profile Settings, and then click Payouts. From there, you may choose your payout method. Enter your payment information, and then select Payouts from the left-hand menu. Once you start making money, you can withdraw it in this manner. Therefore, we do hope that this movie was useful to you. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in some of the upcoming videos. Be sure to turn on notifications when you subscribe to this channel to ensure that you don't miss any of the new stuff.